Subscribe asp.net tutorial channel and press the bell icon for latest update videos. Welcome to my channel asp.net tutorials. So friends, today we have starting a new video series in Bootstrap 4 tutorial series. So friends, today is the first introduction video about Bootstrap 4. So friend, let's start. Introduction about Bootstrap 4. Bootstrap is a free and open source tools collection for creating a responsive websites and web applications. It is the most popular HTML, CSS and JavaScript framework for developing responsive mobile first websites. It's solving any problems which we had once, one of which is the cross browsers compatible issues. Nowadays the website are perfect for all the browsers and for all the sizes of the screens. Why Bootstrap? Easy to get started. Anyone can get started with Bootstrap with just the knowledge of HTML and CSS. Great grid systems. Bootstrap has a powerful 12 columns grid system using the flexbox to help you build different kinds of responsive beautiful layouts very easily. I hope friends you like the video. If you like the video friends, please like, share and subscribe, and latest videos update, press the bell icon for more information, like my Facebook and follow on Instagram and Twitter. And if you have any query friends, you can ask me in comment or email, and visit my website friends www.asp.nettutorials.com. Thank you friends for watching videos.